You're not redacting a bull, but this video is about Redactable. Redactable is a great way to redact your documents, emails, addresses, phone numbers very easily. Any personal info inside of a software, it's so easy to redact the information. It's trusted by thousands of users and it works really simply. You can spend only 2.5 minutes redacting a 10-page document. Its features are powered by some unique AI, and the benefits that exist within this product are that it's efficient, accurate, and keeps your data secure so that you don't have to worry about anything happening to those special things like email addresses, phone numbers, etc. This is going to be a comprehensive walkthrough of Redactable, and I'm going to show you how it's a significant improvement over the traditional manual redaction methods that exist out there. I want to emphasize here that the importance of data protection is very high in today's society and across various industries. So what is redaction? Redaction is essentially when you take different parts of a document, like a medical chart, and you redact different parts of it in order to maintain security from a privacy standpoint for a specific person. This happens in a lot of instances at law firms, health offices, doctors, any of these different institutions where privacy is of a major concern. Essentially what you'll do is you'll redact different parts of it, i.e. taking a piece of text and scratching it out, blotting it out, blacking it out, and it makes sure that that data stays secure for people. So with that being said, let's dive right into the product. All right, first of all, let's go into our Redactable account, and that's upload a file. So as you can see here, there's new project. So let's call this something specific. So I'm gonna use something like patient data. All right, let's press done here. And now within this project, let's go here and I'm gonna upload a file. So I'm gonna upload this from my device. I'm gonna drag it from my file explorer. As you can see there are a myriad of different places you can choose from. You can do my device, Google Drive, Dropbox, and much more. This is some patient data. I'm gonna press upload. Now, as I upload this, we're gonna open this data and it's gonna ask what type of redaction would you like to perform, all right? Now, I can do manual, so redact your words or phrases line by line, which is fine. I could search in text for keywords or phrases. I could categorize, and I could redact things like emails or social security numbers, phone numbers, and more. Or I could do auto, which auto-redacts confidential terms in your document. Let's try out that one. As you can see here, it automatically found out that maybe my name, since I'm a patient, should be redacted a little bit. My birthday, right? It highlights a lot of this different stuff, which is pretty funny. Because this is my own information. This is my in case of emergency. This is my general medical history. So you can see there's a fair amount here. And when I click on this, it allows me to redact that item. So say I don't want to have my address on here. I press redact, and then it darkens it out. And I could actually drag this a little bit. So that is essentially just a redaction of the section on the screen to darken it out. And if I wanted to change the option for this, I could put confidential, I could put no reason, I could put redacted area, and then I would apply it to all of my redactions if I want to as well. So say, fine with them having my phone number, not where I live though. I'm fine with them. I don't want them to know my birthday, for example. I can click on that, press redact item. So this is gonna redact it. And then from there, I would press apply to all redactions. After changing it to confidential, apply it to all redactions, and then that's what that would be. This, by the way, is much more robust than some of the competitors that Redactable has. The integrations with the cloud services that I showed earlier is awesome, and the fact that this auto did it is incredible to me. If I press preview here, you'll see that it showcases confidential here, and like I noticed that's not actually needed. This is just the date of when it was submitted. I could have that redacted though. And then if I want to see it in real time, I could just change it to redacted area, or let's keep it as confidential, right? So if I wanted to do categories as well, I could do something along the lines of addresses and press search, and then you'll see it finds all of this, and I could select all of them. If I really just don't want any information showing regarding address, I can just redact it all. All right, so then that would be completely covered. And then from there too, if I press search again, you'll notice that there's nothing found within there, so there's nothing to worry about. And if I wanted to get crazy in search of all possible redacted things, you know, the entire page would get cut off because it is medical data, but I just wanted to show you that I can find pretty much everything in here. So Redactable not only puts a black box around text and prevents you from seeing it by putting it on top of the words, but it actually does something more than that. It actually removes everything clear from underneath these boxes as well. Now, while other products may end up having redacting methods that might leave the underlying data vulnerable, Redactable actually ensures that permanent removal of sensitive information occurs, which includes hidden metadata. This is done through Redactable's AI-driven approach, which eliminates the risks and inefficiencies associated with manual redaction methods, such as the potential for human error or incomplete redaction. When you compare it to competitors, Redactable offers a much more robust solution, as you can see with all the different AI that I've showcased, as well as that metadata removal. And as I'm sure you could understand, manually going through and redacting this information is a lot more prone to error than categorizing or using AI to figure out all the things that you need to redact. This is a new standard for document security. Another thing, by the way, is I can actually redact an entire page if I wanted to. I could click on redact page. I could give a reason, like it's confidential. And I could say page range number 2, then press add redactions. And this entire page would be redacted, right? So that's something interesting as well. And I could just delete it, but you can do an entire redaction of a page. You could even just manually redact if you want to. I'm not gonna act like manual doesn't work sometimes. You can click on anything you want to redact and then go through and power through it if you find that quicker. But my recommendation would definitely be use the AI as an initial layer to prevent it. But you can even draw a section to redact as well if you know a whole section needs to be removed. Now, once I finalize this redaction, it's gonna be over. So I'm just gonna double check my history as well and see what different things I redacted on here. There is a version history in this product too, which is awesome. But let me just press finalize redaction. And then if I download the file, you'll see this is my redacted document. And this really does blow away the competition. That AI functionality makes it a lot easier for me. So for any sensitive stuff I'm gonna send over from now on, I'm gonna be using Redactable. Another great thing about Redactable is the fact that it's cloud-based, so it allows users to access and redact documents from any browser without the need for installation, making it much more convenient for remote teams. It allows for real-time collaboration among teammates to further speed up the redaction process. So I actually left this project and went back into it, and you'll notice it still has the different redactions here. It just takes a finalized redaction in order for that stuff to get downloaded in the redacted format. And this does eliminate the risk and inefficiencies associated with manual redaction methods, such as the potential for, once again, human error. If someone doesn't know how to properly share this information, it's concerning, but it is on a cloud-based platform with a limited access to whatever team members you have in there. And there's gonna be no need for cross-sharing. There's no like weird linkage and stuff in here. It's just maintained within the account. So between AI and the way that the product is set up, it's faster and much more secure. Take advantage of this great product. I actually have a special offer for you. You can try Redactable for free today by getting 3 free redactions on all new accounts. You can use the link down below to sign up, but there's also in the description down below going to be a coupon code Dimitri, just spelled the way my name is. You can get a 20% discount on any plan using that coupon code attached. So make sure to check out Redactable today to save time and do more with your redaction process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.